guys, Tisai here, back again with another wig review. Thank you so much for joining me yet again. I really appreciate it. To the new subscribers, I welcome you. Thank you so much. Alright, so for today we are going to do a Pixie, and it's the Outre Duby wig. Your girl hasn't opened it as yet, so let's unbox together. Alright, so it's a Pixie Mohawk. I got her in 1B, but oh my god, this color here is gorgeous. I wish I got that color instead. It's 100% human hair. So let's get into it. So according to the card, it's a premium Duby wig, 100% human hair. It's pre-bumped and the style is Pixie Mohawk. And as I said before, in 1B. This is also a care card. So you might want to hold on to this. It tells you how to take care of it and everything. Right, this is the front. So it only has one little comb in front and one at the back with adjustable straps. Right. No combs at the side. It's a snug, very comfortable fit. I like how it fits. And this is how it looks straight out. Yeah? Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Let's finesse this. And that's it, you know, guys. That's it. Yeah, they say it's pre-bumped, but it's just, I think you still have to use your fingers and lift it up however you want it. I don't mind the hair in front like that to get that mohawk effect. Yeah. So guys, take your time, play around with it, trim it to suit your face. Don't be intimidated by wigs. I used to be, and I realized, listen, if it's what I'm going to be wearing, I'm going to switch it up and fix it up to suit my face however best I think it looks, right? I also think it could be worn at the side. So of course, if you don't want the hair in your face, feel free to take it to the side as well. Yeah, this is absolutely cute. As you saw, all I did is pop it on and finger combing it. Of course, if you wish, you can comb through it. Yeah, so this is a look. All right. I like the look in the middle. That's just me. Okay, what more is there to say? This is, if you're into Pixie wigs, get you one of this. This is a look. This is a vibe. It changes your whole behavior. Yeah, I like this. This is how it looks in front, the sides. Yo, if you're hearing my husband, I apologize. I can't turn him off and I need to get stuff done. Who else has people in their household that plays Call of Duty? If you could relate, comment down below, because it's serious with them. Let me show you the back. and this is her. Okay, so the pros, definitely the texture, the style, I love it. I'm not sure everybody will because of how the hair is falling in front. Not everyone likes hair in their face. So, but if you like, if it doesn't matter to you, this is a bop. Alright, of course, no shedding, nothing like that. It didn't have a high smell or anything like that. Alright, I'm pretty sure this is heat safe. Let me look and see. Yes, it's heat friendly, so you can style the front differently if you wish. Alright, the cons, any cons? Honestly, I can't think of any. This would fit most head sizes. If your head is bigger than 22 inches, it will fit a little snug or tight even. Girl, this is fierce. This is a fierce one. Glueless, another pro. It's glueless. Obviously, it is just a put on and you're out the door, so you can't go wrong with this at all. I definitely recommend it. Get her, girl, get her. And one of the best things about this wig is the price, and it's a human hair unit. I don't have anything else to say about this. I really like it. Yeah, so I guess I shall see you in the next one. Bye.